Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series Python machine learning algorithms. Alright guys, so we are on lesson number 13. It's a pretty interesting number, Friday the 13th. At the same time, it's going to be a very interesting algorithm called logistic regression. It's a very powerful algorithm. Logistic regression is an example, it's a classical example of supervised learning. It's also an algorithm, of course. It is used to calculate or predict the probability of a binary yes or no or boolean true or false in while the event is occurring, right? For example, of logistic regression could be applying a machine learning technique to determine if a person is likely to be infected with COVID-19 or not, depending upon his behavior and stuff like that, right? So, logistic regression is one of the most popular machine learning algorithms which comes under the supervised learning technique. It is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable using a given set of independent variables, right? And if you look at it carefully, this particular regression algorithm actually predicts the output of a categorical dependent variable. Therefore, the outcome must be categorical or discrete value. It can be either yes or no or 0 or 1 or true or false. That's the way it works. That's the way the binary system works. But instead of giving the exact value as 0 or 1, it gives the probabilistic value which lies between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1. It's getting a little confused, I know that. But you can reach out to me for one-on-one. I will be happy to assist you and help you to understand. So logistic regression is much similar to the linear regression, except that how they are used depending upon the project, the machine learning project you are going to use, and depending upon the data sets, right? So linear regression is used for solving regression problems, whereas the logistic regression is used for solving the classification problem. As simple as that. So the explanation is pretty clear. Now let me move on to my IDE, Visual Studio IDE, to show you the Python code to execute the logistic regression algorithm. So how do we do that? Basically, we are importing NumPy package and then the matplotlib and then the scikit-learn. And what is the number of lines? Oh my god, it's just 74 lines. That's it. So let's run this code and see the output, what happens. And there you go. Wow, the loss function is just showing all the losses, and this is what the actual output is. Wow. Brilliant guys. 0 or 1. So the blue is zeros and the 1 is the red one. So we can see a wonderful, fantastic output. Based on this, you can take your decision based on the model, and the theta value, as you can see, it's 7.3 minus 12, and these are the losses at the bottom. So this is fantastic. This particular algorithm works great as intended, and now it's time for you to look into this and reach out to me for one-on-one or any kind of help you need building your machine learning project. I'll be happy to assist you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.